Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Space Engineers. Da. Well, we almost have a fuel truck. Oh, shucks! Run away, run away! All right. Dang it. Doggo attack. Immediately. Let's go get some health back. Oh, I didn't lose that much health to begin with. Oh, but it's giving me back hydrogen? No? Okay. Well, probably means my hydrogen is out on the base here. Hello. I remember this. You can see inside this. Oh, interesting. Hydrogen tank. Small hydrogen tank. Has nothing in it. Stockpile is on. Other small hydrogen tank. Stockpile is on and filled. So if we turn stockpile off, turn the hydrogen engine off, turn this off of stockpile. Okay. There we go. Let's eat some more. Excuse me. Alright, so drop off the dog food. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Not dog food. Dog meat. Fill value is 18 versus a fill value of 8. We will take 3. I'll eat one right away. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so I was going to finish this up. So we've got batteries. We've got exposed batteries back here. Those are blaster blocks. Corner inverted edge. There we go. Oops. Go forward. Oops. Now we'll do corner. There we go. And that. And it's raining. Alrighty. Well, do we cut it down and start playing with it? I think we do. Unless, of course, I want to cover up the bottom with armor panels. Heavy armor panel would have 1 metal grid and 3 steel plates, or just a steel plate. The only catch I would have is I don't know if they deform. So, let's see. If I remove, yeah, let's do it. Nope, don't cut that. Seriously? There. All right. So now, what we are going to go in here, grab the wheels, and 35 centimeters. Interesting. Max out the height offset. We have 2 days power. 2 hours of power if we're actually rolling. Ooh. I want to reduce the steering angle, actually. Let's go to 10 and see how that works. That's better. Alright. Yeah, that's a little better. So we'll set up the cockpit quick. Put the brakes on. What the... Handbrake on off. There we go. Hydrogen tanks. 282 generator. On off. Connector. Connect. Switch lock. That's what it is. Groups. Batteries. Recharge on off. So on wheels. Dun, 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 dun. We'll have increase and decrease power on there, because that's how I get apparently pressing J doesn't do anything. Let's see, hydrogen tanks. Fuel tanks. Save. So that then we can go in here. We can what? We can say stockpile on off. There we go. Alright, so oops. Forgot. Set the parking brake. There we go. Alright. We will finish decorating. Okay, so we need this one. We need it like that. Then we need actually we got on here again. Let's turn on our lights so we can actually see what we're doing. Okay. There we go. Watch. There we go. Right. Now for just do half armor blocks across the bottom. And then light armor slope. They're gonna come. Oh. Never mind. Yeah. Okay. So put this back. And then put this in. There we go. That'll work. Stand up. Come on. There we go. That one we're gonna have to fly to get up there. So, there we go. Here we go. Right. There we go. And now we crouch and there. There. There we go. Ta-da! All right. Boop. Oh. Was I going to put a defensive mount up here? Possibly. Let's see what we got. Because if we put a small Gatling up here, now, okay, like that. That'll give me something to play with. Is it going to be necessary? I don't know. Oops. However, it'll be fun. There we go. I can't reach that top one. Okay. Good to know. Hmm. Let's go grab parts. Yeah. 24 construction components and 4 motors. And 4 motors. All components successfully withdrawn. Alright. Well, now I'll have a turret, but no ammunition. That's alright. On a picture. Oops. Come on, turret. Move. Move to a photogenic spot. There we go. Perfect. Alright. Ta-da! Alright. Let's go pick up some fuel. Wow. Oh. Handbrake's on. Let's see if we can't hit a couple of trees with the wheels. Ooh! Well. I want to be careful about that. Where are you going? 25 meters per second? That's not too bad. Do I have any? I've got 16 steel plates. Not going to be enough, but it's something. Something I should have thought of. Looks like there are ammo ports in the side of the Gatling turret that I could hook up to if I wanted to. Alright, so this will hopefully help fix our power generation thingy. We don't have a backup camera. Well, shucks. We're gonna have to turn our viewpoint around. Oops. Okay. Go look and see what it looks like. Very, very tall. So, yeah, can we put a backup camera on here? Camera. We can put it right there. Oops, wrong button. We need 3 computers. Okay. I guess for the first load, I could transfer ice by hand. Control panel. H2 generator is on. It is producing. Hydrogen tanks are filling. Okay. Good enough. This is very tedious. You know what would possibly make this easier? If I tore this down. Because then it wouldn't keep refilling. Wait a second. This has a side and a top, right? And this one has a top. So, what we're gonna do... Ouch. I have a bottle, right? I don't have a bottle? Where did my bottle go? I can refill my hydrogen up in here. Ta-da! Oops. Hopped out on the wrong side. Well, technically it's not the wrong side, it's just other side. So if I put it up here and then created like a parking ramp, basically, to drive up to it. Yeah. Problem is, it is going to have... there we go. Talk about car. Okay. Oops. Wrong button. So the problem with that plan was that it would have dropped 20,000 liters of ice onto the ground, which is a very big ice boulder, and I may have been squished. It is much better, in my opinion, to turn off the drill, empty the connector, redo said connector, Might have to up the strength. Because it's starting to squat quite a bit. However, that is why we maxed out the suspension height. Oh, wow. Quite a bit. Oh, shucks! Get in the cockpit! How do you like being run over? Oops. Wah! Run faster, doggo. Really? I can't run the doggo over. Oops. Ah! Run! Oh, shucks. Wrong button. Strikes again. Get up to speed. Get him! Did I not get him? Again? Seriously? That's a cool howl, though. That is cool. He's trying to walk through the truck. Seriously? Okay. I'll have to get out and deal with it. Sorry, doggo. Told you. Don't mess with me. Can I access? Oh, I can. Why did it put that in there? Oh, the connector's damaged, though. Rats. Much did we lose? Computers, motors, steel plates. That means I probably damaged the other one too. Not enough. Alright, so, actually, I'm going to move this one while I'm here. We need a connector. Connector. Insert. Yep, like that. There we go. Now, we will turn this back on. There's no battery here. Okay. The question for you is, how full are your hydrogen tanks now? 5%. full in 2 hours. Okay. That's alright. The next question being, where would I have to build the ramp in order to get you up there? Okay. I don't have any of these. Okay. No, we need. There. We're gonna need more steel plates. Yep. Let's go back home. Batteries are at 17%. Okay. Stop. I can't knock down that tree then. What? I can with my grinder. Ah! The deforestation has begun. It would be cool if you got something from the trees, though. Even if it was just like biomatter for a bioreactor. That'd be a cool idea. Now that they have, whatchamacallit, crops in the game. So you could have, like, these kelp farms. You could have all these kelp farms lined up, and then just use the kelp as biomass for a reactor. Maybe like a starter reactor. Then the nuclear reactor is what you want. But the bioreactor is what, say basic refinery, basic assembler, and a bioreactor. That'd be a cool idea. But I don't have any idea where to put that suggestion, so we'll just put it into the internet and see where it goes. Nope, that's not what I wanted. I wanted this. The raw meeting here. Okay. Component successfully withdrawn. We will now have... She sits a little lower in the back. There we go. Can we fix that? Left rear, right rear. Up the strength of it. 10%. You know what? Let's make the front ones also 10%. There we go. There we go. That's good. Unknown signal was detected. We need steel platas. Hide empty, that's what I'm looking for. That's in the cockpit of the little machine. This is not the right one. Make another 100 steel plates. 50 should be fine for my purposes. Unknown signal is over there. Yeah, I haven't picked up an unknown signal in a while. Let's do it. One hour of power. Okay. I suppose I could turn off the turret. Don't know that it's soaking up that much. What is this? Oh. Ooh, mushrooms. Shrooms. Shrooms in the deep. Possibly worth it already. Just for the shrooms. Excuse me. It's down on the ice lake. I don't think we're doing this. Yeah, 1 meter or 1.5 kilometers is quite a ways away. And I'm not risking my brand new fuel truck going over crazy terrain. Yeah. How crazy is the terrain? Very steep. You know what? We'll fly out and see. Because flying a kilometer, that's not that terrible. As long as you don't run into the ground. Hello. What saith you? Yes. Anti-radiation medkit and meal pack expired stock. This stopped being a food a long time ago. You don't say. I'll throw it away. You can't throw it away. There we go. Well, we'll take what we can. Because, well, steel plates are not hard to get. They are useful. Oh, is that an antenna? What is that? Stop telling me. Custom turret controller. Oh, a light. Alright. Okay. I now know something that I'm missing. A beacon for the field truck. Oh, seriously? So, a beacon. Beacon or an antenna? Parabolic antenna. Oh. Well, the shorty antenna only goes on the big one. Yeah, I suppose. On the small one, it's pretty small. Oh, because it won't attach there. Okay. That's alright. We can mount it right there. Need radio components. Radio communication components to finish it. Alright. Well, that's alright. Let's go back and try to finish the loading bay for the ice. And then we'll plug this one in over there. Good thing I put so many batteries on this. Because otherwise I think I would have run out of power by now. Even if I'd only slapped like one normal small battery on there. Or a normal small grid battery on here, I think I would have been hurting for power. As it is, I still have 3 hours with, what does that say? Does that say, well, now it seems to say 25%. That's odd. I thought it was less than that. Oh well. Whee! Alright, so that slope we can handle. Over here. Now, stop. Turn on that. Now I need the backup camera. View. Okay. Just gonna line it up. Oops. Don't fly. Alright, so looks like maybe 3 blocks. And just over 3 blocks is what are needed. But we'll do 5. And then what we'll do is the outside edge of that. Maybe we'll put there. That way. Oops. Not there. There we go. That way we have basically guidance. There. Parking guides. I'm doing all of this, and then eventually I'm going to get rid of it all because it's all going to be connected. Maybe. Alright, so turn on the backup camera. Take off the parking brake. Ooh. That's... Ooh. Wow. Come on. Come on. Alright. No. Right. So, fortunately, what needs to happen is half blocks. Oh, okay. Can I hook up to it like this anyway? No. Can I hook up to it if I increase the strength? Ooh. Possibly. Yep, there it is. Alright, so it's not perfect. You need half blocks here, but that will be good for now. Let's see what our inventory is looking like. I did connect, right? Large cargo container. Yeah, that would be on us. Connector. It's just the cockpit that's not showing up. That's fine. Okay. So batteries to recharge. And we will call it there. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye now.